How to fix battery draining problem on Android. So if you are facing this issue, first and foremost open your phone setting. Now from here go ahead and select the option of display and brightness. Here make sure that your brightness is in the minimum one. Then toggle on your eye protection and make sure you are always using dark theme. Then head back from here. Now you have to go ahead and select the option of sounds and vibration. If you scroll down a bit, you will see some of the options here that you can toggle it off, such as your dial pad tones, screen locking sound, and charging sounds and vibration. Those are unnecessary sounds, so go ahead and toggle it off. Then, go ahead and select the option of notification and go to app settings. So here it will pop up all of the application that uses notification. Go ahead and toggle off the one that are unnecessary. Then once you do that, go ahead and head back from here because we'll be moving on to the next step. So the next part is you have to go ahead and scroll a little and go to your battery. Tap on your battery saver on and make sure it is always turned on. If it looks something like this, simply tap it on. Then once you do that, go to your background power consumption and management. All of this application use your battery in your background, so go ahead and tap on the app and set it to restrict background power uses. So you can do this to all of the app that is using unnecessary battery in your background. So go ahead and give it a try, and thank you so much for watching.